Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing another unboxing. I'm a Amazon, Walmart type of person. I order all the time, but not just junk. I order things that I actually need. So today, I already took it out the Amazon package, but today this is a potato masher. And I ordered this because I've been making veggie fritters here lately. A young lady whose channel I viewed, Seas of Faith with Teresa. She makes this veggie fritter that I tried that I love, and I just made a whole big old batch and froze them so I can just pop them in the grease whenever I'm ready. But in the process that you have to mash these beans, these white beans, whatever type of white beans you like. And I can't find my potato masher, so I've been mashing with forks and spoons and everything. So I said, let me order me a masher. And I ordered this masher from Amazon, and it looked like a little garlic press, like you press with a garlic. But when I got it, it is huge. It's pretty big. And it lifts up this part. It attaches to this part. I thought it would already be attached, but it has these on it. And let's see. Okay, yeah, it attaches to that. And it comes off fairly easy, but that's okay. It attaches to that, and you just put it on and mash up whatever you're going to mash. Potatoes, beans, anything soft. So I just wanted to show this. This is rather big. I had no idea this thing would be this big. I thought it was going to be small. But yeah, if it's a potato masher, potatoes are, could be a little big. It also came with this silicone spatula. Yep, so this came with it. But I just made a whole batch of fritters, so might not be using it for a while. But anyway, just want to come and show you guys just in case. You never know, you may need one for something. And I will have the link in the description. So this is what I came to show you guys. So I'll see you in the next video.